Okay, this is a little bit of an update for spring preparations for cruising with the 1928 Classic Yacht Euphemia 2. I've varnished everything except for the deck. I may do the deck later. I'm halfway through freshening up the paint on the side of the boat, and you can see the paint on the port side here has been done. Just a freshening up. And I'll show you the starboard side so you can see the difference. So this one looks pretty good over here. I mean, it's not faired. It needs to get refaired again at some point. It's got little divots and stuff in it, but that'll be for later. Now, this is the side I haven't done yet. And if you look closely, you see all kinds of little scratches in the paint. Little rust marks from bleeders. Those are the real annoying ones for me. And there as well. And then down here you'll actually see fender marks from fenders rubbing up. Some of that's just dirt, but some of it's scratches. You can see dirt that's run down off the top of the boat over during the haul out when it got repowered, when it was on the hard. That stuff doesn't all just wipe off, so it requires a cleaning, and then yeah, and you can see some more bleeders there. That's what I'll be doing next, is the starboard side painting. But in the meantime, I was inside and putting an hour meter in because I couldn't find a NMEA 2000 hour meter that I could just plug into my backbone. So I got an old school one, and I've wired it in. So this is the hour meter here. See if I can show the... Yeah, you can see that that's the way it is. It's just a really basic one, and I gotta get one on there on the boat because I'm going to be cruising and I'm not going to be able to keep track of all the hours forever. So I've put it in on the key switch, so when it's running, it'll have power. And I took the ground down to the main ground bus in the engine compartment, and so I'm about ready to button this back up again. And I may even open the curtain of the boathouse and let it run. You got to run it for at least 5 or 6 minutes in order for it to tick over a little bit on the hour meter. So, and then I got to clean up this bit of a mess, and then I've got some office work to do. And that's my update for now.